Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious potato salad. This one doesn't have any mayonnaise, so it's more on the healthy side. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to cut the potatoes in half, or depending on the size of the potato, you can cut it in quarters or into bite-sized pieces. As you can see on this video, I'm using a set of knives like the one I gave away on my last giveaway, and I really love these knives and you guys seem to love them as well. They are from a company called Michelangelo Kitchenware, and after my giveaway, the Michelangelo Kitchenware decided to give me a discount code for you guys so you can get the knives for a cheaper price. So I'm going to be leaving the discount code on the description box of this video, so feel free to check it out and use it to buy the knives. You will get them with a 15% off. And I really like the knives because of the color and because of the price. They are super affordable, but then after I tried them, I just love them. They are great quality. I love the handles, they have the right size, and the blade is super sharp and durable, so I really recommend them. So feel free to use the discount code. It's going to be in the description box of this video. So like I said, I'm going to cut the potatoes in half, or depending on the size of the potato, you can cut them into quarters or into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to season the potatoes with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Also season them with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and also to add some heat, feel free to add crushed red pepper to taste. And then we're going to cook the potatoes. You can either bake them or you can place them in the air fryer. And you can bake them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown and tender. I'm going to place them in my Avalon Bay air fryer, and I'm going to air fry them for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So while the potatoes are cooking, now we're going to cook the bacon, and we're going to cook it on medium heat. And I'm using turkey bacon, but feel free to use regular bacon if you want to. And we're just going to cook it until it's nice and golden brown and crisp on all sides. Then once it's done, set it aside to cool down a little bit. Now to make the dressing, in a small bowl, we're going to combine the extra virgin olive oil with the vinegar. To this we will also add in the minced garlic. Then season this with salt to taste. Also add crushed red pepper to taste and black pepper to taste. Stir well until well combined, and then we're going to place this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, just so the garlic will start releasing its flavor. Now we're going to work with the rest of the ingredients, and remember, all the ingredients need to be washed before using them. So we're going to cut the green onion, and first we're going to mince about a tablespoon of the green onion, and then we're going to chop the rest of the onion into larger chunks. Once you're done, we're going to place the larger chunks of onion into a large bowl, and then we're going to place the minced onion into the oil mixture. Now we're going to cut the tomatoes in half, and then we're going to remove the seeds from the inside of the tomatoes. And then after that, we're going to cut the tomatoes in chunks, and I cut each half in quarters, but feel free to cut the tomatoes any size that you want. And then we're going to place them in the same bowl with the green onions. And then after that, we're going to remove the kernels from the corn. And remember, the corn is already cooked, and I just cooked it in boiling water until they were tender. And then after that, we're going to place the corn kernels in the same bowl with the rest of the ingredients. And now we're going to cut the bacon into bite-sized pieces about the same size as the tomatoes, and just set them aside for a minute. So here I have all the vegetables in the bowl. Toss them together to combine, and then set them aside. And over here I have the potatoes. This is how they look after 15 minutes in the air fryer. Now we're going to place them in the same bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Toss everything together to combine, and then we're going to top this with the chopped cilantro, and then also add in the dressing. Feel free to add as much dressing as you want. Then toss everything together again so all the ingredients are well seasoned with the dressing. And then after that, we're going to add in the bacon. Toss together once again so everything is well combined. Then taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. And once you're happy with the flavor, the salad is ready. Now you can serve it. And I'm just serving this salad with a very simple pan-fried fish. The fish is just seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I also added a pinch of oregano and crushed red pepper on all sides, and then I pan fry it in a dash of extra virgin olive oil. And this meal is great for any day of the week, and it's also so beautiful and delicious that it's perfect for any special occasion, so I really recommend it. I hope you like it. Enjoy! To put in this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!